Today, we are gently challenging something many of us were taught for years. Fat does not make you fat. For decades, we were told that fat was the enemy. Low fat yogurt, low fat milk, low fat salad dressing, low fat snacks, and yet people did not get leaner. In fact, metabolic issues increased. So, what really happened? When fat was removed from foods, something had to replace it. Because when you remove fat, you remove flavor. So, what was added? Sugar, refined carbohydrates, thickeners, artificial flavors, additives to improve texture. So many low fat products are actually higher in carbohydrates than their full fat version. So let's take a simple example here. Skim milk versus full fat milk. When you remove the fat from milk, the lactose, the natural sugar, becomes more concentrated in relation to the product. The fat is gone, but the sugar remains. And without fat to slow digestion, blood sugar rises more quickly. The same happens with low fat yogurts. So next time that you shop, compare labels. Look at the carbohydrates line and look also at the sugar content. Often, the regular version has fewer added sugars than the light one. This is why in Slimdown we don't fear healthy fats. Fat does not spike insulin the way that sugar and refined carbs do. Fat slows down digestion, it keeps you satisfied longer, it supports hormone balance, stabilizes energy, it helps absorb vitamin A, D, E, and K. Especially after 40, healthy fats are essential. Now, let's talk about another important piece here. Not all fats are equal. We avoid highly processed industrial seed oils. These include canola oil, soybean oil, corn oil, cottonseed oil, refined sunflower oil, refined safflower oil, grapeseed oil, rice bran oil, vegetable oil blend, margarine, and shortening. These oils are heavily processed, often extracted with heat and chemicals, and frequently used in ultra processed food and deep frying. It's not about fear, it's about awareness. In Slimdown, we prioritize traditional stable fats. So, what are healthy fats? Let's name them clearly. Butter, so delicious. Ghee, extra virgin olive oil. Avocado oil, avocados, coconut oil, coconut cream. Nuts like almond, walnut, macadamia, and many other nuts. Seeds like chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds. Nut butters, fatty fish like salmon and sardines, egg yolks, full fat unsweetened yogurt, quality cheeses, grass fed animal fat, tallow, and lard from good sources. These are real food, natural fats. When combined with protein and fiber, they create stable energy and fewer cravings. Many people notice something interesting. When they stop fearing fats and reduce refined carbohydrates, their appetites naturally regulates. They also snack less. They feel calmer around food because fat sends a powerful satiety signal to the brain. we are pairing healthy fats with protein and fiber. Strategic, balanced, and supportive. So today's habit is simple. Don't fear healthy fats. Start reading labels. Choose real food. You are building metabolic flexibility now. And that requires nourishment, not restriction.